Hi, my name is Chirine and I have curly hair. Can you tell? Because I can't. Well, I moved to Japan a little over a year ago. Japan has some of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever seen, and I've been lucky to visit so many beautiful places. Now, my hair, on the other hand, has not been having the best time. I keep it up maybe 90% of the time, and it's because it's gone through so many changes since we moved here. The humidity, the water, and not having access to products that I'm comfortable using on my hair has resulted in really kind of lifeless, undefined, and frizzy curls. My wash days will give me maybe 1 or 2 hours of good hair, and then it'll end up looking like this. So the end goal is to have my hair looking like it used to. This is from 2018. My curls were bouncy, moisturized, defined, and still voluminous. So that's what I want, but longer. Here's a look at all the products that I will be trying, and I hope you join me on this journey. I know that sounds corny, but having curly hair is a journey. It's an epic quest. My hair looks crazy right now because it's been up for quite a few days, but hopefully this is gonna fix that. Let's go.
Of a dream life, never been a runner, held back and held it under, waiting for the right time to bring it all into the light.
You know what's in these products and you know they're good for you. And the fun part is you get to experiment and make your own concoctions and see what really works for your hair. And I think for me also one of the greatest benefits is the wide range of treatments that you can use this for. And so in addition to coloring your hair and getting a treatment out of it, there's also, you've got the Hennasooq clay so you can clean your scalp, you can use it to clean your face. Sure, you've got the Moroccan hair tea that you can use 4 different ways, if not more. You've got the Sukesh and the goddess hair that you can use to moisturize your hair and really strengthen it. Quick recap, my hair started changing a couple of months before coming to Japan. This is day 1 hair, just a couple of hours in. If you remember, my curls quickly lose definition. They get very, very frizzy and very tangled very quickly. And so I would often resort to just ponytails or buns. Now, this is day 3 hair. The most important thing at the end of the day is that you're using high quality products. So stuff like this, stuff that you know works, stuff that is 100% pure and doesn't have any fillers or other ingredients mixed in. My hair is really important to me. I spend a long time trying to grow it out, trying to keep it healthy. So I want to make sure that I'm putting good stuff into my hair, and I'm sure you do too. I hope you learned something new about henna and Ayurvedic herbs, and I hope it motivates you to try them out for yourself. Give this a shot. I know I'm going to do this again. It's a great method to both dye your hair and keep it healthy, so why not?